हर गाने की अपनी एक ऑडियंस होती है। जो मुझे लगता है कि मेरे पुराने गानों की अपनी ऑडियंस थी, इस गाने की भी अपनी ऑडियंस होगी। सबसे ज्यादा इंडिपेंडेंट सिंगर्स बाहर आए हैं और इंडिपेंडेंट सिंगर्स को बहुत मौका मिला है। ऐसे गाने अभी रिसेंटली बहुत समय से आए नहीं है जहाँ पे एक म्यूजिशियन, एक सिंगर एक अपनी केमिस्ट्री दिखा रहा है, जहाँ पे सिंगर परफॉर्म कर रहा है एक सॉन्ग के अंदर। अगर लोग मेरी आवाज ही नहीं सुने हैं तो मुझे क्या देखेंगे? सो आई हैव टू ऑलवेज लर्न फ्रॉम everyone I meet and everything I see. There are more songs coming with big directors, big names. So I'm so
Yeah.
excited for all that.
Recently, Stebin Ben and Amira Dastur reminded us of that passionate love in our life that goes through its ups and downs, but eventually finds its way back to us. And they did it through their latest amazing melodious single, Zara Zara. The song is already trending on charts in YouTube. And today we have Stebin with us to talk about it. So, Stebin, first of all, welcome to Spot Boy.
Thank you very much for having me.
And the song is like so amazing. The acoustics, the your voice especially, like it's so amazing. So how has been the response that you have been receiving for it till now?
The response so far is great. It's going. It's taking its organic speed. It's taking its time to reach out to people because गाने को पहुंचने में समय लगता है ऑर्गेनिकली और धीरे धीरे धीरे। और आई थिंक हर गाने की अपनी एक ऑडियंस होती है। जो मुझे लगता है कि मेरे पुराने गानों की अपनी ऑडियंस थी, इस गाने की भी अपनी ऑडियंस होगी। सो आई एम
Yeah.
जस्ट वेटिंग कि वो जो ऑडियंस है जिन्हें ये गाने पसंद आते हैं उन तक ये गाना जल्दी से पहुंच जाए, सो दैट आई हैव मोर पीपल वॉचिंग इट एंड लविंग इट एंड स्प्रेडिंग इट अक्रॉस।
Okay, okay. And like, how was the experience of working with Amira?
It was really great working with her. It was so much fun. और क्योंकि हम जब सेट पे थे तो बहुत मस्ती होती थी और बहुत फन होता था। डायरेक्टर
Hmm.
हमारे चरित बहुत ही कूल है और उन्हें भी बहुत he made sure that it was that everything was happening अच्छे से।
Yeah.
एंड बहुत प्रोफेशनल है हमारा, उन्होंने काफी अच्छा काम किया हुआ है तो काफी इजी हो जाता है ऐसे में मैं आपको दूसरे एक्टर के साथ
Yeah.
काम करने में। तो मेरे लिए भी काफी इजी था क्योंकि मैंने उनके साथ पहले मैंने उनका काम देखा हुआ था तो अच्छे से
Mhm.
जल्दी जल्दी मेरा काम भी हो गया।
Yeah. And like you both share like a very sizzling chemistry in the video, I have to say, and that does not come like ekdam se. So did you spend some time together before the video to get that comfort zone, or it just came out naturally between you?
It just came out naturally. In fact, we started with a fighting intense shot basically जिसमें हमारी
Hmm.
लड़ाई हो रही थी। So
Yeah.
कहीं ना कहीं which was very acting oriented and शायद मुझे
Mhm.
लगता है हम लोग वहीं पे कनेक्ट हुए थे क्योंकि we both understood कि हम लोग के लिए ये चीज कितना जरूरी है क्योंकि अभी हम लोग पैंडेमिक में घर से बाहर निकल के आके शूट कर रहे थे इतना रिस्क लेकर और उसके बाद हम काम कर रहे हैं। So where
Yeah.
we knew that we have to give our best and वहीं पे
Mhm.
हमारा चालू हुआ। फर्स्ट शॉट पे एकदम इंटेंस था, वहां पे थोड़ी मस्ती भी हो रही थी।
Hmm.
करते 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 जैसे ही उस शॉट्स पे आए थे जहां हम लोग के रोमांटिक शॉट्स वगैरह थे वहां पे हम लोग काफी कंफर्टेबल हो चुके थे दूसरे के साथ।
Yeah.
एंड आई थिंक वेदर कश्मीर का इतना सुंदर है, वो जगह
Hmm.
इतनी सुंदर है, ऐसी नहीं
Yeah.
जन्नत बोलते उस जगह को। मतलब देयर इज
Yeah.
अ रीजन, देयर इज द ब्यूटी जिस वजह से चीजें ऑर्गेनिकली फ्लो
Hmm.
हो रही होती है और नेचुरली फ्लो हो रही थी। जो केमिस्ट्री आपको दिख रहा है वो ऐसी फ्लो हो रही थी
Yeah.
क्योंकि चीजें सब वहां पे ऐसी थी।
True, and I was about to say this, like your location kind of added half the romance, half the chemistry between you, because it was so picturesque.
डेफिनेटली।
It was oozing out that charm in itself. So, like you have come out with a lot of singles, especially in this COVID time. So, how has before up until a few years ago, indie music was not as booming as it is now. Singers were not as recognized. So, do you feel like you have come out at the right time when there is actually a lot of booming in this sector?
डेफिनेटली। अगर देखा जाए तो कोविड के इस पैंडेमिक वाले टाइम पर
Hmm.
सबसे ज्यादा इंडिपेंडेंट सिंगर्स बाहर आए हैं और इंडिपेंडेंट सिंगर्स को बहुत मौका मिला है बिकॉज द फिल्म्स
Hmm.
वर नॉट कमिंग आउट दैट फ्रीक्वेंटली। सो
Hmm.
देयर वर लॉट ऑफ सिंगर्स हु हु वांटेड टू डू समथिंग। तो
Yeah.
उनकी अपॉर्चुनिटी जो थी, उनको अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिली
Hmm.
जहां पे वो अपने आप को प्रूव कर पाए। इतने सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स, इंडिपेंडेंट प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं जहां
Hmm.
पे गाने अब बाहर आने लगे हैं। सो समवेयर इट्स ग्रेट दैट दीज
Hmm.
सॉन्ग्स आर कमिंग आउट
Yeah.
एंड इतनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं।
Hmm. So, what was the inspiration, or I'd say the origin of the idea behind Zara Zara?
The idea definitely goes to Charit, the director, also the music director and the
Hmm.
lyricist. I'll give the credits to them completely, क्योंकि अभेंद्र ने बहुत अच्छा लिखा है, पीयूष ने बहुत जबरदस्त कंपोज किया है उसके बाद चरित ने जबरदस्त एक स्टोरी क्रिएट करी से मेरी और अमायरा की, जहाँ पे ही मेड श्योर दैट आई एम म्यूजिक गाय. सो
Yeah.
यहाँ पे जी म्यूजिक कंपनी ने बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले किया, क्योंकि इन्हीं ने पूरा प्लान किया था ये सॉन्ग की थी. अनुराग सर, सब लोगों ने मिलकर इस गाने को प्लान बनाया. सो
Yeah.
समवेयर आई थिंक द आइडिया आई रियली लाइक्ड, बिकॉज ऐसे गाने अभी रिसेंटली बहुत समय से आए नहीं है जहाँ पे एक म्यूजिशियन, एक सिंगर एक अपनी केमिस्ट्री दिखा रहा है, जहाँ पे सिंगर परफॉर्म कर रहा है एक सॉन्ग के अंदर. सो
Yeah.
दैट इज अ ब्यूटी ऑफ द सॉन्ग, वेयर कश्मीर में जाके कश्मीरी बैंड के साथ आई एम परफॉर्मिंग लाइव, एंड विच इज बीन
Oh.
शॉट ब्यूटिफुली बाय चरित. सो ब्यूटिफुल एक्सपीरियंस देयर. सो कहीं ना कहीं क्रेडिट इन सबको जाता है.
Okay. So like the band was not your own. The people you had worked
No, no,
with.
no. No,
Okay.
it wasn't my band. It was a Kashmiri band. क्योंकि पैंडेमिक में सबको लेकर आप ट्रैवल नहीं कर सकते,
Yeah.
और हम लोग को सेफ्टी रखना जरूरी है, तो हमारे कोविड टेस्ट हुए थे कश्मीर में जाकर, तो सब लोगों का लेके चलना काफी डिफिकल्ट था. सो देयर वाज अ कश्मीरी बैंड who were great, and what a
Yeah.
sing and what a fun we have had there to shoot
Yeah.
this.
And being a music person yourself, it must have been easy to kind of connect with them on that
Develop,
level. for you.
get along with these people. Yeah,
Yeah.
it was. They were so much fun.
Yeah. And like your kind of acting skills kind of showed in the video, and that kind of romance must have come from some kind of real life inspiration as well. So, have you had
Um,
any passionate love story like the one you had in the video in real life?
Honestly, my stories have been so boring. I've not had any passionate love stories or something. I'm still
Yeah.
exploring these sides, honestly, because I'm getting to know about love, what love is, honestly.
Yeah.
But I've always, for me, the chemistry so far, whatever I've seen is in the films, in the video songs, and through these things, you understand what a chemistry looks like. So
Yeah.
I try to portray that chemistry there. बाकी obviously जब आप एक इतनी खूबसूरत जगह पे होते हो, तो एक थोड़ा एक आपको भी फील आ रहा होता है, आपको भी फ्लो मिल रहा होता है, आपको समझ में आ रहा होता है कि आप एक गाने को शूट कर रहे हो, एक रोमांटिक शॉट है, तो आपको वहां पे एक रोमांटिक वाइब देना ही देना है. सो या we both portray it easily. थोड़ा ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम नहीं
Yeah.
हो.
So, lack of real life inspiration for now. Still waiting on it.
Yeah, still waiting.
Okay. And like in your previous videos and in this now, you have worked with some big stars like Siddharth Malhotra, then Neha Sharma, now Amira. So how working with these stars kind of affect your performance commercially, and as an artist also, how does it benefit your craft?
It definitely benefits when you work with quality people, when you work with stars, Bollywood stars, because in the end, everybody wants to work in Bollywood, and they want to enter
Yeah.
that Bollywood category in the listing.
Mm.
So you can say that when Siddharth and Diana Penty did my first song, Challo Ke Nishan, I was really excited because for the first time, few big Bollywood actors were there in my songs.
Yeah.
So iske pehle bhi there was Rajkumar Rao, Rakul Preet, they did a film song for
Shimla
me.
Mirchi.
But that didn't reach out to a lot of people because the film कहीं ना कहीं वो फिल्म स्टक थी, वो रिलीज नहीं हो पाई थी प्रॉपर्ली, तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स थे जिस वजह से सॉन्ग वाज नॉट प्रमोटेड nicely. But this was kind of a song, चल्लो के निशान, and then and then this थोड़ा थोड़ा प्यार with Siddharth and Neha. This worked like a magic for me because first of all, people loved the chemistry. Siddharth and Neha. The video was very simple. Bosco did a great job. Also, then people liked a part of the song जिसमें था मैं सांस भी लूं तुझे चाहे बिना. That went viral on reels, viral on all the audio platforms everywhere. So कहीं ना कहीं definitely song ने help किया है, and ये जो stars जो आपके song में आ जाते हैं, उससे भी एक गाने की brand value up होती है, because this time right now there are a lot of music videos coming in every city, in every label, on every day there are at least 5 to 10 songs coming out. So competition is tough. So how do you filter yourself, through these so many songs? You have to do something different. Like, you do a quality work. You make sure that you have good people acting. So now I always work with all kind of people. So I don't believe कि actors ही होने चाहिए. I work with influencers. I work with TikTok people also. I work with film actors. I work with TV actors. Almost every TV actor in our TV industry. I work with everyone. So you get to learn a lot, and you get to experience difference, that what is the difference when you cast them, and you also get to know a lot of people, like how you said आपको लोगों से मिलने का मौका मिलता है, इतनी बात करने का मौका मिलता है. So that's how I also get opportunities to collaborate with lot of different kind of people, जिनसे हमारी रीच बढ़ते जाती है, क्योंकि टीवी का अपना रीच होता है, फिल्म का अपना रीच होता है. So Amira has her own reach, Siddharth Malhotra has his own reach. So
Yeah.
Hina Khan has her own reach. So
Yeah.
this कहीं ना कहीं सब हम लोग को मिल रहा होता है. So
Yeah.
it's a good thing for a singer, you know, to
Yeah.
collaborate with so many artists.
Yeah. And like in Beat Barish or Challok Nishan, like you did not feature in that music videos as such. So did you get any acting tips from those people like that you kind of used in Zara Zara?
Honestly, see, I always wanted to act in my own songs, but I was waiting actually.
Yeah.
I wanted first initially people to accept my voice.
Hmm.
अगर लोग मेरी आवाज ही नहीं सुने हैं तो मुझे क्या देखेंगे?
Yeah.
क्योंकि I'll be a new boy to them.
Hmm.
So I waited कि लोग मेरी आवाज को पसंद करें, उसके बाद मुझे पसंद करें, क्योंकि जब लोगों ने देखना चालू किया कि गाने हिट होने लगे तो लोगों ने स्टेबिन बेन सर्च करना चालू किया. फिर जब लोगों ने सर्च किया तो लोगों को पता चला कि स्टेबिन बेन है सिंगर. बट
Hmm.
why would they want to follow Stebin Ben and want to love
Yeah.
Stebin Ben for a reason,
Hmm.
just not his voice? They want to see who is he in the real person. That's where I decided to come as an actor also in my own songs.
Okay.
And वो एक डिसीजन मैंने लिया अपने फैंस के लिए, अपने प्यार करने वालों के लिए, कि मैं खुद ही वीडियोस करूंगा अपने सब लोगों के लिए, और एक्टर्स के साथ तो कोलैबोरेट करता ही रहूंगा, बट खुद भी करता रहूंगा, सो दैट दे नो हु आई एम.
Yeah.
बाकी टिप्स तो मिलते रहते हैं इन एक्टर्स को देखने से, बिकॉज सी यू आर अ लर्नर, आई एम अ न्यू कमर, सो आई हैव टू ऑलवेज लर्न फ्रॉम एवरीवन आई मीट एंड एवरीथिंग आई सी. सो मैं फिल्में भी देखता हूँ तो उनसे कुछ ना कुछ सीखता हूँ, किसी के गाने देखता हूँ तो उनसे कुछ ना कुछ सीखता हूँ. सो यू हैव टू कीप लर्निंग, आई विल
Yeah.
keep taking tips from everyone.
Yeah. So, but like you are used to seeing your voice on others' faces. So this time, when you were lip syncing your own voice and acting on it, was it a bit like weird or nervousness in you when you were first
Not
on
at
the
all.
set?
It was the best feeling and it's the most easiest, because only a singer can sing the best in his voice, in his own voice. I'm telling you, मतलब सबसे अच्छे से जो सिंग कर सकता है अपनी खुद की वॉइस पे is a singer, because a singer has sung it. He knows the
Yeah.
entire notes. He knows the feel. He knows the
Emotion.
he knows how much emotions he's given in the, so it becomes easier somewhere. मुझे लगता है कहीं ना कहीं मेरे लिए तो बहुत ज्यादा easy होता है, because I perform also these kind of songs on my shows.
Yeah. Yeah. And you mentioned na, ki your Shimla Mirchi song Ishq Di Feeling, it did not get promoted as such. But people have heard it so much on other platforms. Like I have heard it so much and I went on to look for it, like who was actually has sung it, where it was
Wow.
came out. Because that is how the song got actually in the main media, I'll say.
Right.
So
Right.
after like Ishq Di Feeling, and you did one song for Hotel Mumbai as well. So have you got any new film offers to make music for them?
I think होटल मुंबई इश्क दी फीलिंग के 2 महीने बाद लॉकडाउन लग चुका था. इनफैक्ट 1.5 महीने बाद लॉकडाउन लग चुका था. सो आई हैड सो मेनी फिल्म्स लाइंड अप बैक टू बैक. मतलब आफ्टर इश्क दी फीलिंग आल्सो हैड अदर एक्टर्स आल्सो डूइंग माय songs, but it all I think completely stopped because the theater releases were stopped. So I now I'm waiting for it to release again, because अभी songs जब वापस आएंगे तो I'll have a lot of film songs also, a lot of film songs, and I'm just waiting for them all to come out. But honestly, I'm not in a rush right now, because I feel कि independent music इतना उठ गया है, so let it flow. लोगों को प्यार, लोगों को इतना मौका मिल रहा है अपने गाने बनाने का, दिखाने का, तो it's okay. So but I hope जल्दी सब कुछ चालू हो जाए, because I'm waiting for my film songs to come out.
Yeah. So any film song that you can talk about that you have recorded?
Because all the films I've done, they haven't even released their release dates right now. But I think can't talk about it. But there are a lot of talented actors, and the actors everybody look up to. So these are the big actors, obviously.
Yeah.
So I can't wait to talk about it on my next interview with you, and I hope jaldi se bahar aa jaye.
Yeah. And I have to say, like, HD Feeling is one of those examples where the kind of music outlives or outgrows the movie. It's actually one of those examples. So, like, you showed your acting chops, some of it in Zara Zara. Any plans of delving into acting in a feature film?
Yeah, why not? If I'll be, so I've been offered a few web series and few shows, obviously, जो OTT पे आ रहे हैं. But honestly, that's not my interest right now, because I'm happy doing my music. But if I will be offered something really good from a big director, because I feel that I have the potential to to work hard on anything, and I feel that I can do things if I've been given the right guidance and all that.
Yeah.
So if I be offered something, I will definitely want to do it. A big film or a big thing or a musical boy or anything related to music, I would definitely want to portray. Baki to I'm happy focusing on a music.
Okay. And like any future collaborations on the cards in the independent sector that you are making, any new singles that you can talk about?
Yeah, there's a next single coming out. I've collaborated with Me Brothers. पहला ही song मेरा Me Brothers के साथ में आया था, इश्क दी feeling, my debut film song.
Hmm.
But then it's another single coming out soon, and it's a big announcement. I can't wait to announce it because it's a fab song, and there are more songs coming with big directors, big names. So I'm so
Yeah.
excited for all that.
Okay, so this is something you are doing, but if you have to choose like a dream collaboration that you have not got a chance to do yet, what will it be? Like with whom? Be it in the
Right now, my dream collaboration outside will be obviously with Shawn Mendes.
Okay.
और मे बी कैमिला उसके साथ हो.
Hmm.
और अगर इंडिया में हो तो डेफिनेटली शुड बी विद श्रेया घोषाल
Hmm.
फॉर अ वेरी बिग फिल्म सॉन्ग, बिकॉज आई थिंक शी इज द बेस्ट फॉर मी, एंड आई थिंक मैंने उनसे ज्यादा सुरीली और इतनी इतनी अच्छी आवाज मैंने नहीं सुनी. सो आई वुड डेफिनेटली वांट टू कोलैबोरेट विद श्रेया घोषाल या फिर किसी पुराने सिंगर्स जिनने जो लेजेंडरी सिंगर्स हैं हमारे जैसे अलका जी, इनके साथ किसी के साथ एक मौका मिल जाए तो बहुत मजा आएगा. आई वुड डेफिनेटली वांट टू डू इट.
Yeah.
And in the new singers, definitely Neha ke sath I would definitely want to work because she's very talented.
Yeah. And also like which of the actors from the current generation or maybe the previous generation that you would like your voice to give your voice to?
I think Ranbir Kapoor first because I think he's my vibe. Like in real life, whatever he's portrayed in the Rockstar film, he's portrayed in the Bulya song and all that. That is very much of me. In general life also I'm like that, always in my own music space, that passionate musician, that passionate guy who is towards his music and all that. So kahin na kahin, I think he's that guy who I really want to give my vocals, because I think he'll give the 100% justice there.
Okay.
And अगर पुराने legend से बात किया जाए तो definitely शाहरुख सलमान, why not?
Yeah, Shah Rukh sir is like the king of romance and that is what your voice is most suited for. So maybe someday Shah Rukh sir can be the face of your voice.
शाहरुख सर मिल गए तो बस खत्म है फिर तो. मतलब करियर उठ जाएगा मेरा.
Yeah.
I hope I get.
Yeah, but Steven, it was a pleasure talking to you. Can't wait to hear more of your songs and see more of you on screen in music videos and hopefully in some big film maybe. So in future.
Definitely. There are a lot of things like in lineup, in pipeline. So just wait for it. Give your love and just stay safe.
Yeah, thank you so much and a big congratulations for Zara Zara and really looking forward to more of your work. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.